Hey everybody, if you are wondering how to log out of your YouTube application on your mobile device, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. Start by opening up the YouTube application for that on your particular device, and once you open up the YouTube app, what you may do is you may go over and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, the basic method you can do in order to log out is usually by switching account. So we do not have a dedicated option when we go over to the gear icon at the top and look out for the logout option like we usually do for other application. We do not have that. So instead, what we can do is we can use this option called switch account and tap on it and use another account. If not this, what we can do is we can just go over and completely remove our account from the device. If you want to do so, what you can do is you can go over and tap on this option called Google account and open it up on your screen. And once you open it up, you can just go over and select the option of remove this account from this device. For that, once your profile page opens up here, you can scroll down and find the option for your devices for security and sign in. And once you find it up, you can just go over and select the device from which you would like to log out. And once you tap on it, you can confirm the logout and you will be logged out of the device, including YouTube itself. And that's it. So if you want to go over and log out of YouTube application on mobile, this is the basic method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.